Hello everyone. This class we are going to learn infinitive. What is infinitive? An infinitive is a verb combined with a word to. Most often an infinitive acts as a noun in the sentence. Less frequently it act as an adjective or an adverb in the sentences. Look at the example sentences. I want to go home early today. Here, to go is a infinitive. I hope to be chosen as a member. Here, to be is a infinitive. I prefer to go there early. Here, to go is infinitive. You need to consider various rules in writing sentences. Here, to consider is an infinitive. You have to explain your reasoning in detail. To explain is an infinitive here. You have to explain your reasoning in detail. To explain is an infinitive. We might wish to act as a teacher. Here, to act as an infinitive. To leave for a vacation is my only wish at this time. Here, to leave is an infinitive word. A common mistake in a relationship is not to trust the other person. Here, to trust is the infinitive word in the sentence. Help me to save the trees. Here, to save is an infinitive. To be mentally healthy, you must read books. Here, to be is an infinitive word, the sentence. Do you want me to fill out this form? To fill is the infinitive word. Here is our to-do list. Here, to do is the infinitive form. It was nice to meet you. Here, to meet is infinitive form. It's time to move on. Here, to move is the infinitive form. I'm young enough to change my habits. Here, to change is the infinitive form. Don't forget not to make grammar mistakes. To make is the infinitive form. You are required to leave all your belongings here. Here, to leave is the infinitive form. I came to see a doctor today. Here, to see is an infinitive word. You have to work harder to succeed. This is to work is an infinitive form. I need to take 3 more classes to finish my graduate study. Here, to take is an infinite form. I got close to the speaker to listen clearly. Here, to listen is an infinitive form. Be sure to check if you have tickets. Here, to check is an infinitive form. Be sure to check if you have tickets. I'm going to buy the new computer. Here, to buy is the infinitive form. Then, gently, it is not common to split to and the verb expects for when you want to emphasize the verb. I want you to immediately stop doing that. So to immediately is an infinitive form. You have to seriously work hard to succeed. Here, to seriously is infinitive form. You need to definitely explain your reasoning in details. Here, to definitely is infinitive form. Then look at the exercises. First sentence, I'm going to learn English. It is common to make a grammar mistake. Did you come to clean my house? So these are the exercises we have to get practice to make use of these rules in our mind and get practice to find the infinitive form in the sentences. Hope you all clear.